In Excel, it's possible to fill cells with subsequent data without having to enter it. If the text you want to copy ends or begins with a number, drag the fill handle, which is the small black square, and the number will increase by 1 in each subsequent cell. If we want to fill the cells with the years starting from 2019, simply type in 2019 and copy this number while holding the Control key. The second way to create these kinds of lists is to enter the first two numbers, select both of them, and copy them. This solution has the added advantage that the difference between the numbers can be controlled, and doesn't have to be 1. After entering the name of a month and copying it in subsequent cells, the following months will be inputted by Excel, and the same goes for the days of the week. It also works for the abbreviations of the names of the months and days of the week. Excel will keep the letter size formatting. While dragging, you can see the value that will be entered into the last cell. This is only possible by default in accordance with the language selected in the Windows control panel on your computer, which means that even if you have an English version of Excel installed on your computer, but a different language version selected in the control panel, you can use this functionality in the selected language version only. You can also create your own custom lists. It's useful when we type in the same data in the same order quite often, or if we would like to use the aforementioned lists but in a different language. Click File, then select Options. Select the Advanced tab, then scroll to the bottom to find the Edit Custom Lists button. Select New List from the left window, and in the right window, enter your new list, hitting Enter after typing each element. We are going to enter the list of markets our company sells products in: the USA, Canada, the UK, and Australia. After entering the whole list, click on the Add button. The list appears in the left window, and then press OK twice. Our list has now been created, so if we now enter any of the elements of this list into a cell, it does not have to be the first one, and then copy it, the cells will be filled with the next elements of our list. We can also sort the data in tables in a similar way, but more on this subject can be found in the lesson called Sorting. A printable version of the exercises list is available to download so that you can tick the examples you have completed. Hopefully this will motivate you to complete the whole course and pass the exam available at the end of the Advanced Excel course.